Hi, my name is David Campbell, and today on Lab 3-6, configuring a trunk port to connect switches, Activity 3.4.2. Our objective for today, observe default switch VLANs, configuration and operation. Configure static VLAN on a switch. Verify VLAN configuration and operation. Configure trunking between switches. Okay, what I see over here, we have our 3 computers, 2 switches, which have already been configured. Switch 1 and switch 2. Confusing with this being 0 and 1. This will be host 1B, host 1 alpha, and host 2. I have already configured the CLI on this, so what we're going to have to do is go into switch 1, and we're going to verify the default VLAN configuration and connectivity. So let's go to the first interface, the FA01. Switch port mode access. And I need a T on there. Okay. So we'll go to interface, fast Ethernet 01. Switch port mode access. And now we just need to verify, so we're just going to go show VLAN. And we're just showing, let me exit out here. Okay, now I got everything all set up.
Did you load it, Mom?
Okay, so now we just need to show the VLAN. Now, in every switch port assigned to a VLAN, well, it looks like there are. So 1 through 24. Is every port switch assigned to a VLAN? Which VLAN do the ports appear in? The default, number 1. Which VLAN, should any host or switch be able to ping any other host or switch at this time? It certainly looks like it with all the fast Ethernet ports in just one network right here. To verify our answers, we'll ping host 1 to all the other hosts and switches. And so we're going to have to ping from here. So settings. Yep. Oop. That was weird. Okay, looks like everything's going to work out just perfectly. Let me just ping this computer. So we'll just ping. Right. Okay, so we verified on step 3. Now we're going to create a VLAN configuration. So we're going to go to the S1 or switch 0, VLAN 2, name Fred, exit, VLAN 3, name Wilma, VLAN 2, and that's going to be on switch 2, so there. Nope. Okay, so we were able to set the password. And now let me go into configuration 2. So we just want to hit VLAN 2, name Fred, VLAN 3, name Velma. Okay, I spelled everything right now. Exit. Do exit. Okay, show. Okay, we got Fred, Velma, active, and we have not assigned any ports to them, so that's good right here. But we'll just do that anyways. So we'll go configure interface. Two. Go to switch port. Now we'll go to. Did I get the interface here? Yeah, page 02. Okay. Switch port VLAN 2. So we're just building up the VLANs and assigning the ports to them. So 2, exit. Switch port access. Oh, 03. There we go. So we got mode access VLAN 3. exit. Sorry about that. And then, so we got 2, do R, do run, okay, exit. Now switch. Now we just do the same thing with the switch 1. So interface FA0/2. Phase switch port mode access. Switch. Port mode. Trying to get ahead of myself here. Switch port access. Interface 03 now. Do run, exit. Okay, so we were able to do that. Now let's see if we can ping S1 to S2. So we just exit. And that was this. VLAN switch 2, 172, 16.1.2. Looks like we're now getting an echo. 0 out of 5. And that looks like it's a no. No, the verify the answer by pinging host 1. Okay, so host 1A. So next we're going to see to what VLAN do host 1 and 2 belong to. Host 1. Probably just get this all set up like this. It's going to get complicated. Okay, so now we're just going to see which VLAN do host 1A and 2 belong. VLAN 1 and 2. Up, so it looks like we go to VLAN 3. Host 1A and to host this one fell. Okay, so let's go to task 6. So we're just going to configure and verify the trunking. So we'll do this one. Interface FA0/1. So we're in interface 0/1. Port mode trunk. Okay. Now we'll just do same thing on the same switch. So we'll just do the same thing, INT FA0/1. Switch port mode. And so we got that. We just ended. I'll just show interface trunk. Okay, so mode on, VLAN, encapsulation 102PQ, we're good there. Do the trunk interfaces appear in the output? I would say so. What one is set to the native VLAN? 1. I would go, what VLANs are allowed to communicate over the trunk? Say 1 FA or 1, 2, 3. See what else is there. Okay. Now let's go to show VLAN. Okay. See if we can ping. Okay, just wanted to check something. Fred Wilmo's there. See if we can find I would say FA's, yeah, do the S1 and S2 fail 0/1 interface appear on the VLAN. Why or why not? Well, we were just messing with the VLAN 1 right there, and FA0/1, it's in native right now. Okay. Let's ping it. What was the IP address? So I'm in S2. It's not looking good. Zero out of 5, which is what I was just thinking. Okay, so let's go to the ping test should show that the service that belongs to VLANs can now communicate with each other. So that's very true. So it's in a different VLAN. Okay. Now, text 7, we're observing a default trunking behavior of switches. Oh. So we're just observing the trunking behavior of a switch. And we'll just do this for the next one. Or are we already in switch? Yeah. Switch 2. And TFA0/1. No switch port. Okay, so we'll just go show interface FA0/1 trunk. If I can spell it right. That should be right. There you go. Okay, so I'm on, I'm just going to spell it out. Show interface fast 0/1, which did I no switch promote trunk? I'm just checking that. I need to run it. I don't understand why this is not going. Okay. And I believe this actually concludes this activity. The activity lab 3-6, configuring a trunk port to connect switches 3.4.2. Thank you and have a great day.